Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Italian sausage soup. Sounds delicious. You can use hot sausage, fresh, any flavor sausage you want.
Yeah, guys. Now let's get started. What's first?
Okay, so we're going to start with a pound of sausage, loose sausage. I'm going to brown this. Okay, so now I'm going to add, it's a roasting Mexican sweet corn. It has Parmesan, lime, and cilantro, and corn, and carrots, and all kinds of everything in it. So you can put any kind of vegetables you want in here. I just love corn, so I thought it would make a good combo. There's just one red pepper. Stir that in there. And a small onion. So a cup of tomato sauce. Okay, I'm going to add some chicken broth.
What are you doing?
Now I'm going to add a can of stewed tomatoes. Parsley and Italian seasoning. Just let it go in, drop it in. Thank you. That's my little helper. She's going to stir that up while I add some salt.
Yeah.
Salt to taste. Okay.
I love this. Well, I don't know that actually.
Okay, that Nana seasoning. Thank you. That was a good helper.
Don't want to trip over the children.
Okay, so the last thing that goes in is the brown sugar. That's what gives it its unique taste. Okay, she's going to be stirred. Don't touch the pan. Okay, now so I'm going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes so that all the flavors can blend together. Okay, so let's give it a taste. Okay, it's all done. Give it a taste. Mmm. Okay, so now we're going to taste it. Delicious. Now, this soup, you can add any kind of vegetables that you want, any kind of sausage. This happens to be a hot sausage.